Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute elf on the shelf? Well, let's get started. And these are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the hat. So it's a pointy hat, diagonal line down here. Okay, and then let's do a little curved line, little arch, and then the top here as well. And the face, draw a nice little U shape here, so it looks round. And we'll do the hair, so little points just like that, curved lines, points, okay. And then the part where the collar is, so little points. Okay, we'll join it. And so we're gonna make it look like it's sitting. So let's draw one line down, and then we'll do little zigzags here. Bring it back up, and then we'll do the same. Bring it back up, and then part of the body here, one line down, another line down here, and then we'll just do a curved line here, and then another one here, and we'll join it, okay? And the feet, so the leg, one line down, the other one coming down, and we'll just do a little curved line. And again, here, the same, a line down and a little curved line, okay? All right, so let's add the little hands here. So just a curved line, just like that. And then here as well, so like an oval shape, okay? And the eyes, so two big circles, and then draw a little arch here, color in the pupil in the middle, okay? And a little nose, little U shape, and a nice smile. Okay, now let's make it look like it's sitting on the shelf. So we're gonna draw a line across, and then another one here. Okay, and then we'll draw another line from this point, and from here, and then we'll draw another line here, and there. Okay. All right, so now let's color in the little elf. And I'm using pencil crayons, but you can use markers, whatever you like. Okay, so I'm gonna color this red, and then the body part red. So The Elf on the Shelf is a children's book written by Carol Abersold and her daughter. So it describes the role of an elf who is assigned by Santa Claus to monitor, to watch over the children's behavior. make sure they're good. So there's facts about the elf's magic. So they cannot be touched. The scout elf flies to the North Pole to report back to Santa about the children's behavior. And the elf moves to a new location each night, but can't move during the day. And every scout elf needs to be named by the family. And the most popular name is Buddy. So each elf reflects the personality of its family and is always nice. So the scout elves, they can understand more than 6,000 languages. And the stockings, I'm going to color red as well here. Okay, and I'm going to color the hair brown. And then the face, I'm going to use sort of like a pink, pale pink color. I'm going to leave the collar white and this part white as well. And the little hands pink. I'm going to just color it brown. And you can use whatever colors you like. Now, I was thinking of drawing perhaps a little clock behind the elf. Draw a circle here. Okay, and numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I think I'm going to do, point the big handle on the 12 and the little handle point to the 5 o'clock. Okay. And I'm just gonna follow the circle again. So it looks like it's hanging, and I'm just gonna color it gray. Okay, my friends, so before I go, I have a cute little joke. What kind of photographs do elves like taking? Elfies! Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.